Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make enchilada style stuffed peppers that are quick, easy, and your family will think that you've been in the kitchen all day. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our 4 bell peppers. I already have them nice and clean. We're just going to cut them in half. And we're just going to make sure that we have them nice and open and remove the seeds. Okay, once you have them, set them on your air fryer tray and sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. Okay, now we're going to place them on our air fryer and allow them to air fry at 375 degrees for 7 minutes. Okay, and while we were going to make our enchilada sauce, so to a small saucepan, add your 5 clean New Mexico or Guajillo chile pods, along with 1 chile ancho and 1 Roma tomato. Now cover it with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and once they come to a boil, transfer it to your blender cup, along with 2 garlic cloves, salt, ground cumin, oregano, and 2.5 cups of water. And now just blend until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our filling. Okay, and at this point, our peppers should be done, so now we're just going to remove them from the air fryer. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. Just begin to break it down. Okay, and here we're going to add all of our spices, and as always, they're listed in the description box. Just continue breaking it down and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, add 1 bell pepper and half an onion, small diced, and just mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1.5 cups of pre-cooked beans, along with 1/4 cup of the enchilada sauce. So now just mix it. Here we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Mix it again and allow this to come to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, you want to taste it for salt and just adjust it if needed. But now we're going to get ready to add 1.5 cups of minute rice. And if you want to make this low carb, you can skip on the rice and just make sure not to add the water. But just mix it. So here we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our filling should be done. Of course, make sure that there's no more liquid. And just like that, now we can get ready to stuff our peppers. And just make sure that you remove the liquid from the peppers. And now just fill them up. Alrighty guys, and once we have all of our stuffed peppers, now we're going to get ready to put it all together. Okay, now returning to the pan over medium-low heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. And once it's nice and hot, we can add the rest of our enchilada sauce. And strain it if you need to. Just adding a little bit more water. Okay, now just mix it and allow this to come to a simmer. Once your sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But here we're just going to allow it to continue simmering for another 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we're going to grab our bell pepper, place it in the pan, and here you can add a little bit of the enchilada sauce. Okay, once we have them, now we're just going to top them with some cheese. I'm using queso Oaxaca and medium cheddar. So just shred it. Place it on top. Now just cover it and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, and after a couple minutes, the cheese should have melted. So our Mexican style bell peppers are done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let's give this a try. Let me tell you, this right here is absolutely delicious. The filling, the pepper, everything's cooked to perfection. And of course, like I mentioned, if you want to make it low carb, skip on adding the water and the rice. And if you want to make them into enchiladas, this filling right here, it's absolutely perfect. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.